Assalamualaikum to all viewers. Welcome to my channel. In this video, we will discuss about the barcode card scanner. What is the barcode card scanner? We also have a PDF which gives the more detail about the barcode card scanner. So let's start it. We will discuss about that. This PDF is based on the 10 pages which give the art detail of the barcode card scanner. So first of all, you can also see here the abstract give you the information about the purpose of the writing. So here you can first of all see the introduction. Quick response QR codes are two-dimensional code introduced in 1994, a piece of long multitudinal multilingual text. A linked URL, a business card, or just an information can be embedded into the two-dimensional barcode. It is readable with monetary equipped mobile devices. QR codes can connect the user to the information quickly and easily. The following is an example of the two-dimensional QR code. Also, you can see here the keywords of the barcode card scan. It is also known as QR codes, mobile devices, action research, lifelong learning. Here you can see that what message is embedded in the QR shown in figure 1. If the mobile phone has the capability to download a barcode scanner, once the code is scanned, the message will read as embedded QR code in educational instruction and innovation. The message is read in this way. So let's start it. We will discuss more about that. I can scroll it and here you can see that literature review. Research has shown that learners are increasingly searching for learning material which will allow them greater flexibility and convenience to suit their active lifestyle. Several studies on the possibilities of integrating M-learning in the classroom received similar position reaction from students. It also gives the detail of the given review of the literature. Now I can scroll it more and you can also see here the what is QR code. QR code are two-dimensional barcode that is capable of holding 7089 numeric characters, 4296 alphanumeric character, 2953 binary bytes. It also explaining some other things. Development of the conceptual framework. The researchers the conceptual framework as a tool to benchmark the process of conducting the research. The framework is adopted from Clayton, Elliott and Toy in 2009. Engaging learners and empowering tutors to use the potential capabilities of QR code in the mobile learning environment are two important aspects to be answered in this study. Training the tutors to develop learning contents using QR codes and also ensuring students to be engaged with their new style of learning are the predicted challenges the researcher will have to face with these things. You can see here the engagement. Learner have access to dedicated course content and the empowerment tutors give the training to develop the QR code. Learners are given to support the continually use it, which is called capability. Also you can see here the QR detail, which is basically called barcode card scanner. Barcode scanner can be connected to a computer through a serial port, keyboard port, or an interface device called a wedge. A barcode reader works by directing a beam of light across the barcode and measuring the amount of light that is reflected back. A barcode reader is basically works by directing a beam of light across the barcode and measuring the amount of light that is reflected back. How does a barcode scan work? The barcode scanner basically uses sensors and a light source to recognize and measure the strength of the light bounced back by the white space inside the unique design of parallel bars. The light is detected via the help of photodiodes, which in return produces an electrical signals. Via the help of photodiodes, which is return produces an electronic signals, which is used in the barcode scanner.